Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today in math, we are working on lesson 79. So I'm just working through our math book when we do paperwork. And I'm going to do a small entry or introduction of the lesson and the new vocabulary. And I'll work through some examples, and then I'll set you on your way with your homework. The first thing I'm going to review is perimeter. So we did a whole section on perimeter, and when you guys were investigating, we had tons of word problems on the perimeter. So remember that a perimeter is adding all four sides. So if this is my shape and it's beautiful and it looks all even, if I was saying that this side is 3 inches, this side's 2 inches, this side's 3 inches, this side's 2 inches. If we wanted to find the perimeter, I would add all four sides together. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. And the perimeter is 10 inches. That's perimeter. Remember, we're adding all four sides for the perimeter. Now, if we're doing the area, we multiply. So if I am doing this same image of my perfectly beautiful rectangle, I have 3, 2, 3, 2. This is our rectangle. Now we are multiplying length, which is the long ways, and width is a short way. So 3 times 2. And that equals 6. So that's our review on perimeter and area, because some of these are going to be in your homework for today. The next one that we are introducing is a centimeter. So in your take-home folders, all of you received a ruler. You're going to need your ruler for today's work. On your ruler, there's two sides. So usually we use the inches side, but today we're going to learn about the centimeters. So if you could see right here, cm, centimeters and millimeters. Right now we're working on the cm. So centimeter, the abbreviation is cm. It is about the width of your finger. So if I measure, say, my pinky finger, it is roughly 1 centimeter. You see that? That is what we're working on today. A ruler is 1 foot. 1 foot equals 12 inches. And it also equals about 30 centimeters. So if we're looking at our ruler from the front to the end, it's 30, about 30. That's what we're saying. And this is not the side that you usually use, so make sure that you are using the correct side when it comes to the measurements. One side says inches and one side says centimeters. Pay attention to the wording of the question so that you know which one it's asking for. So when we are measuring, it may tell you to measure the length of this square. You are going to line it up to the first line, not to the very end of the ruler, that first line. Oh, hey, I did pretty good, almost 5. The first line. And it's about 5 centimeters. And that's how you will write your answer. Another thing on one of the homeworks, it's multiplying. Single digit and tens. One of the examples we have would be 3 times 30. This is a fairly easy technique as long as you are recognizing the pattern. In this particular instance, you can multiply 3 times 3, which is 9, and bring down your 0. So 3 times 30 is 90. The same thing, another example, 5 times 60. We would do 5 times 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. And bring down your 0. 5 times 6 equals 300. This will work if your answer, and if, not your answer, sorry. One of your multiplication numbers ends in 0. It will also work if we are in the hundreds. Same thing. 2 times 200. We would multiply 2 times 2, which is 4, and bring down those zeros. All right, guys, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Bye.